Good morning. Welcome to Snake Eye Crypto channel. Now today I am talking about several people are asking me that one of my friend yesterday only called me from the Florida and told me that Bitcoin price is Bitcoin is plumbing. Price is plumbing. So what to do now? So I want to tell that see here is a Bitcoin chart and you can see here that this is a on the 15 April to 24 April, there is a minus 26% of the price dip. So that was somewhere around 65,000, almost 65,000 per Bitcoin was the price. And in since last 7 or 8 days, the price is now moving at the level of somewhere around 49 to $50,000. Okay, so that is a minus 26% of the dip. So I would like to tell you that well, this is not a unusual thing for a crypto market, because see in the past you can see that we have seen different several dips. During in March we had a 16% dip. In February of this year we had a 23% of the dip, and in January we had a 40% of the dip. So these things are common. So however it is true that daily Bitcoin sentiment is bearish. However, still I would say that this is not the top of the Bitcoin, and the long term Bitcoin sentiments are bullish. So why? So let me tell you how. See, this is a news which says that a small group of investors spent 24.5 billion on Bitcoin in the last few months. So what this is a very useful analysis. So what this analysis says that this group of 1200 this 1200 investors, this may be anything, HNIs, mutual funds, hedge funds, whatever, but these are the group of 1200 investors that have bought 450,000 Bitcoin, well above the price of 50,000 US dollar per coin. So these people, this group of the people started investing in Bitcoin when the price was just above the $50,000, and up to the 62,000 US dollar they held this Bitcoin. And you can see that right now the Bitcoin price is below $50,000, and these people have purchased 450,000 of Bitcoin, which is well above the price of the Bitcoin. This yellow line, you can see that for so many of Bitcoin at various levels they have acquired. And I tell you that these people are not going to sell these Bitcoins. Also, you can see that see, what they are saying is, as the price falls towards their average cost of acquisition, I would expect them to buy more, thereby putting a floor under the price. So what people are telling is, analysts are saying that their above purchase price of this 450,000 Bitcoin was some well above 50,000, 50 to 62,000 they purchased. So somewhere around 58,000 to 55,000 they purchase all these Bitcoins. So you can here see that right now Bitcoin is trading at discount. So these people must be trying to buy more Bitcoin at this price level. Okay, and another verification of this thing is that these Bitcoin are on the exchange. Another, so this is one news of today. Another news is that NYSE files to list shares of Valkyrie's Bitcoin ETF, and SEC is already reviewing 3 more ETFs. So this is a well aware fact that in United States right now we don't have any ETFs. ETFs are not there in the United States. The closest thing to ETF in United States is a Bitcoin trust. So in United States usually Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and BlockFi. There are one or two Bitcoin trusts only. So you can see that one is a Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So this is not the ETF, but basically this is a close. You can say that this is a close to ETF. Okay, this is a close to ETF, you can say. Okay, because ETFs are not there, but once personally think that by the end of this year there will be lot of ETFs available in the United States, and it will bring much more money in the Bitcoin, and which will inflate the price of Bitcoin to levels of 200,000, 300,000. Another great news is that in Canada, just three new Ethereum ETFs have been there in the launch. So this is also a good news. And what they are saying that in Canada also they had a Bitcoin ETF approved some time ago, but now they are saying that three more Ethereum, this time Ethereum ETFs are there. So my sentiments are very much positive that Bitcoin, this is not the bearish market, or this is not the price of the Bitcoin is going down or something like that. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. So anyway, so if you like this video, then put your comments below, and also let me know if you like this kind of news. Okay, thank you.